The 2011 BMW 4.4 liters, you can see. We got a drivetrain malfunction, check engine light, and these are all the codes I'm getting. Mixture control, exhaust gas after cat, too lean, oxygen sensitive before cat, rich, Misfire 8, 6, several misfires. Looking at all these codes, you know, it does look overwhelming, but it's a simple diag for this vehicle. You know, European cars are not that hard. I got codes that say history, history, history. So the one that says current, you're looking at cylinder 8. We'll save all these codes, but the one that we're focused mainly is cylinder 8. Okay, we got cylinder 8 back there. You can see that's the coil that we're going to be checking out. We do have this coil on plug tester. Now, these are all right, but they're not 100% accurate. Even though these spark plugs look like crap, they still spark. And this threw me off too. I'll show you guys right now. It's getting signal, as you can see from the tester, but the coil is actually bad. So don't rely on this tool. 100% is not accurate. Swapped over coil number 8, so it did bounce over to number 6. Definitely ignition coil is bad on this. We got the ignition coil replaced. No more messages on the dash. Do a full scan. Yep. No DTCs.